A very important weekly wrap up on USDJPY and Euro USD. Retracement is coming in right now on Euro USD as expected from this very important level of resistance. And if you look at USDJPY, market is moving upward for a retracement. All of these and in-depth weekly bias in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Check the channel for other Forex content. Right here on the USD JPY chart, we see the market move down into this very level of important support, and then market is retracing back up right now. If you look at what the market did in the week from this very area on Monday at this very point, we see the market begin to move downward. Okay, so market moved down, and right now market is at this very point. What I am expecting is still very simple on this very chart, because there is a little dynamics behind this very market, and I want to establish the fact that the market is still in an uptrend, looking at the broad perspective on USD JPY. If you look at it from this very point right here, market is in a clear uptrend, okay, and it has not created any new low. If you look at this very low right here, is still above this very low at this point. So this is one of the things we must have to consider, and for us to say that the market is going to come back down, we must see this very market move down and create a new low and have a fail swing before we can think of market reversing within this very area to the downside. So if we don't see this, a low that is lower than this and a fail swing, then the market is still in a very clear uptrend. But this very movement downward can be taken advantage of for a sell opportunity on the 4-hour chart, and that is what I have been talking about on this very channel. And right now on the 1-day chart, if you look at the RSI, the market is still going to move to the downside. I said you should pay attention to this very trend line on the RSI, even though we see the market move upward on the RSI indicator and did not cross this, market have capacity of coming back down again. Okay, so what that also means is that if you see the market begin to move to the upside on the RSI indicator, and then at this very point approaching this very trend line, and the market breaks out on this, then we have to change our perspective of market moving to the upside and begin to look for buy opportunity on the 4-hour chart to the upside. And also you notice that the market has not created any new low, which means the market is still in a clear uptrend. So if market did not cross this very trend line, then we will continue to look for sell opportunity on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so 1-day chart, very important. I want to use the directional bias on the 1-day chart to trade the 4-hour chart. And on the 4-hour chart right here, if you look at what the market is doing right now, you discover that very soon, as we resume the market on Monday, I am expecting that this market come back to the downside. Okay, so since we are still below this very trend line on the 1-day chart, market should continue this movement to the downside. So as we resume the market on Monday, it is still very nice to look at sell opportunity or sell position on USD JPY. So instead of you buying, it is nice for you to take a sell position from this very area or from this very level of resistance right here. So we have a good resistance at this very point, at this very area. So this is the first place of entry, and this is the second possible place of entry as well. You must confirm this with your strategy before actually placing a sell position on your account. So this is very important, guys, and this is my own personal opinion. What do you think about Euro USD right now? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on Euro USD. Euro USD, if from this very area come back down, which is a big deal, because this very point is an important resistance. Market coming to the same resistance and moving downward after this very significant move to the upside. So normally market should correct, okay, which is very normal in the market. So this correction coming to the market right now is fine. But if you look at the RSI indicator, something very important. From here, market move all the way upward to this very point. And I told you, if we see a breakout on this very trend line, then that means market is going to have a good correction. And that is what we are seeing right now, guys. Pay attention. This very movement to the downside is going to have a good correction. That is my own bias right now. In the week, market move upward, and on Thursday and Friday, market correct. This correction is going to continue. That means next week on Euro USD, expect USD to be strong, okay, in relative to the Euro, because of this very breakout on support trend line on the RSI indicator. So from this very area, we have this very breakout on the support trend line on the indicator RSI, and market is coming back to the downside on the 1-day chart. What this means is that market is going to continue this very retracement to the downside for a good correction before the market is going to move to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now on your chart. Market created a new high at this very point, which make this impulsive move retracement impulse. So retracement is going to come in before the next impulsive move again to the upside, and possibly we're going to see that very breakout right here on the 1-day chart. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now, guys. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, look at it here. Market is already coming back to the downside, and I told you about the divergence that is on this chart right now. Look at this divergence that is clearly shown on this very chart, and you need to pay attention to this to be in the right direction of this very market right now. On the chart, market is moving upward from this very point. Market is going to the upside, and also on the indicator, if you drop from this very point to this very area, you see market is sloping downward, so creating lower lows. This one is creating higher highs. This is a clear bearish divergence on the chart right now. What this means is that market is going to continue this movement downward for a good correction, okay, just like I talk about on the 1-day chart. So this bearish divergence is very important right now. Market is going to come back right down on Euro USD as we speak, and as we resume the market on Monday. Not only that, if you look at what was going on right here on this very chart, we have a very clear switch trend line on this very chart from this very point. And if you notice, market has broken out of the trend line, okay? Not only the divergence formation, but the trend line has been broken at this very point. So breakout of trend line, I said if we see a breakout of this trend line, that further confirm this very divergence to be true. What that means is market is going to continue this movement to the downside. So on the Euro USD 4-hour chart, pay attention to shorting the market, that is setting the market to the downside. If you are a counter trend trader, okay, this is only for counter trend trader. If you know how to trade counter trend, then you can enter a sell position to the downside for this major good correction before the market is going to move to the upside. That means if you are not a counter trend trader, you need to wait for the market to come back down and show us another buy opportunity for the market to move all the way to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. On the Euro USD 4-hour chart, market is going to come back down, and on the Euro USD 1-day chart, good correction is going to come in before continuation to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on Euro USD and USDJPY as we resume the market on Monday, so that you be in the right direction of the market and be profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content, and if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description right now. Check it out and follow the link and do your registration. Thanks for watching today's video.